What's up, ladies and gentlemen weapons? How y'all doing today? What I wanted to talk to you about real quick was what's going to happen in the upcoming future. I'm hopefully buying a new Canon M50 camera, and I'll be doing an unboxing of that, and then taking that on a trip to Disney World and to on the cruise to the Bahamas. So I'm going to do, like, I don't know if I'm going to split it up into parts, or if I'm going to do like a cinematic footage of the cruise in Disney World. I don't know quite yet what I'm going to do with all that, but if y'all want to see a cinematic, leave a comment down in the description, below the description. And then also, if you want to see just regular vlogs, just leave a comment and saying vlogs. If you want to see cinematic, say cinematic. If you want to see vlogs, say vlogs. If you don't really care, just say IDC. Also, what's going on, I've been working a whole lot lately, and we're also going to Universal in June, I believe, or July, late June, early July, and we're going to the beach as well. So if you want to see videos of all this stuff, please leave a like, comment, and also subscribe if you're new, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.